Hello, good morning, and welcome to the Ask Waikiki show, a even by Infinito Mastermind community. My name is Yevshad KK, and you can call me Waikiki. I'm a serial entrepreneur who turned into a business coach. This is the show where I answer questions related to your business. And if you have any question related to your business challenges or processes, whatever it is, any question related to your business, you can put it down on the Instagram or Facebook and just hashtag Ask Waikiki, and I would pick it up and answer in the future episode. Even I have left a link to the Google form in the description. So go to the description below and you can find a Google form where you can put down your questions. So before I go forward with today's question, I request each and every one of you to like and follow my Facebook and Instagram page so that you get to notification about the future episodes and you get updated by all the latest content I share on the Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for liking and following my Facebook and Instagram. So the question for the day is, what are the essential business leadership skills we have to look when selecting next line of leaders? Amazing. So by this question itself, I can understand the person who asked this question is looking into working on the business instead of working inside the business. He's building up his next line of leader. This is one of the great thing a business owner can do. All the best. So I'll just share a couple of things. I would say you should look before selecting the next line of leaders. It can be multiple people. It's not necessarily should be one single person. It can be multiple people. But one quality you have to look is if that person is leading by example. He should be ready to put his hands on the work if it is necessary. He should not be a person who just keep on giving orders, keep on giving instruction. He should be leading by example. He should be ready to do whatever work he is assigning. Him personally should be in a position or willing to do that work by himself. The first quality you have to look is lead by example. Next thing you have to look for the passion. If your next line of leader doesn't have the passion for your product or service or your business, you will have challenge. So look for people who already have passion. Don't try to create passion in someone. Okay. Look for people who already have the passion for your product or service or your organization. Next quality you have to look for people who is organized. Because if the leader, next line of leader is not organized, the challenge is he's chasing his own tail. Okay, so he's keep on chasing his own tail. He won't be able to organize your team. So make sure you select a person who is well organized, who is being organized. Also look into people who is ready to delegate. What I have seen is many of the leaders, they want to do everything by themselves. They are not they won't be satisfied if they delegate to someone. They want to do everything by themselves. Those kind of people is not of any help if you select them as the next line of leader. So look for people who is ready to delegate. Next quality you have to look is take people who take ownership and responsibility of their action. People who, if something goes wrong, if that person is willing to take the ownership of that mistake or failure and take the all responsibility and rectify it, that kind of person is what you want as your next line of leader. So take people who take responsibility, who take ownership of all the actions they take. Next thing you have to look for in a next line of leader is whether he is communicating effectively. For example, maybe that person or that leader cares a lot about his team members, but unless he communicate how much he cares, the team member doesn't know how much that leader cares. So that's the thing. So pick a person who communicate effectively. Whatever feelings or thoughts are there, he should be communicating it with the team. So take person who is effective in communication. Also take person who is brave and honest. Where if there is a challenge, he should be brave to tell it openly, communicate it openly. Also be honest to the team. So take person who is brave and honest. Also, one very important skill you have to look for in next line of leader is great. If he's a great listener, if a leader doesn't listen, he's going to have a lot of challenges. So make sure the person has great listening skill. Make sure that person is a great listener, so that whatever the feedback or suggestions come from the team, he gets it effectively. Uh, Also pick the person who knows your team members, or you knows your team members personally. People who knows your team members birthday, anniversary, family background, who are they in the family, what everything. Take people who is already who knows each person in your team member. That would be a great fit for next line of leader. And the last thing I would like to say is make sure the next line of leader himself is a follower, so that he follows you personally. Also, he's following his team suggestions, feedbacks, and needs. So make sure the leader whom you pick is also a follower, so that whatever input that comes from the team, he will be following it. Also, he will be following whatever inputs you give as a business owner. So that are the things you have to look into when you select next line of leader. I just repeated for you. Look for person who lead by example. Look for person who is passionate. Look for people who is organized. Look for people who's ready to delegate. Look for people who take ownership and responsibility. Get a person who communicate effectively. Get a person who is brave and honest. Make sure the person is a great listener. Make sure the person knows everyone personally at the personal level, everyone in the team. And finally, make sure he himself or she herself is a great follower. That is what I would like to share about this question. If you feel you have some other idea, some other suggestion related to this question, you can put it down below in this comment box, just below the video. Also make sure you share it with your friends and relatives, so that they will be benefited by this episode. So take a moment to comment and share. Thank you so much for commenting below this video. Thank you so much for sharing. You never know when this episode is going to impact and change someone's life. So thank you for sharing and commenting below this video. So with this, we come to the end of today's show, the Ask YKK show, even by Infinito Mastermind community. My name is Yevshad KK. You can call me YKK. I'm a serial entrepreneur who turned into a business coach. If you haven't yet liked and followed my Facebook page or Instagram page, please go do it right now, so that you don't miss any future episodes. I'll be answering your business related questions every single day. So if you have any question, you can put it down on Facebook or Instagram and hashtag AskYKK, or just go to the link below this video given in the description, which is a Google form. Just fill out the Google form and I would answer it in the future episodes. So thank you so much for liking and following my Instagram page and Facebook page. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care.